Mama used to say there are only two kinds of people in Gatlin, South Carolina. The ones too stupid to leave and the ones too stuck to move.
My family's different. We do things. I can't always control it.
Ethan Wade is the hero, and he longs to get out of this town.
See up there? That's the road to freedom.
Ethan's always reading, he's always imagining the different cities he would live in.
And he just wants something more out of his life.
You hear that new girl in our class is a Ravenwood. You're the first Ravenwood anybody in Gatlin's seen in almost 20 years.
I agreed to let you attend what passes for a school in this town, but no friendships.
Is that her?
There's something strange about Lena.
She's just different from anybody else.
He's just drawn to her.
She has never experienced acceptance in her life. It's an alien idea to her. They always hate me no matter where I go.
I shouldn't be in the same class as a Ravenwood.
Emily, shut up.
My mama says the same thing. Says her whole family are Satanists.
Well, it's about two worlds that exist side by side.
Lena, are you a witch?
You have powers. I'm not meant to show a mortal any of this.
Why would you ever want to be normal? Lena, you're a miracle.
A caster is a supernatural being that lives amongst human beings. The female caster turns 16, we face what they call the claiming. The powers will be claimed for either the light or the dark.
Ridley Duquesne is the older cousin of Lena Duquesne.
Lena and I are the same.
She is coming back to her hometown to claim her cousin for the dark.
You think you can keep Lena so good? Wasn't I the same before I was claimed?
Look at what I am now. You think Lena's a good girl now, but it won't matter. Even if her true nature doesn't claim her for the dark, the curse will.
I'm warning you.
What curse?
Excuse me, Miss Emma, but I think you know more than you're saying.
Meet me in the back.
The library literally is a gateway.
Emma, why didn't you tell us about this?
A keeper has to be asked. I'm the keeper of all the information, all the secrets of life.
See with your mind what you're looking for as if you've already found it. They know a caster's here.
I have a petition here that Lena Duquesne be expelled. Mrs. Lincoln is a Bible-thumping bigot, really. She's full of this tense rage about terrorists. She hates liberals and Democrats. You get away now. Greenpeace and whatever else. I'm not afraid of you or your evil kind. God, our Creator, will condemn you to hellfire along with all the other unnatural abominations.
Seraphine is Lena's mother. She is a dark caster, very powerful. She has the ability of getting inside other characters.
Seraphine is channeled through Mrs. Lincoln.
She's perfect. She's a pillar of the community.
She has the most fun part because she really gets to inhabit two characters.
She knows that her daughter's going to be more powerful than any caster who's ever been. The curse has already begun.
That is a lie.
Seraphine believes the door into a new world is going to be opened by this very powerful young girl.
Help stop Seraphine.
Some things cannot be stopped.
It becomes a race against time.
And it has begun.
There's no alternative for them.
They have to fight these supernatural forces that want to keep them apart.